Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Samsung Galaxy A51 to Samsung device. Start by opening Play Store on both Samsung devices. Now you need to tap on the search bar, type Send Anywhere and download this free app from this developer. When you're done, click on Open. Then choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Following that, go with Send on A51 and Receive on Samsung. Then click on all of those dots, choose Send and click on it to send all of your files. I will only select one photo, for example, click Send and tap on Got It over here. Now you have two ways to connect. You can input this key 487613 and choose Receive or scan QR code. If you want to scan it, tap on the scanning icon on Samsung device, choose Allow and point your device's camera at the code. Then wait a bit. And as you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. You can always check it out just to be sure by going into some kind of Files app, clicking on Images and looking for Send Anywhere section. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!